Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and apply for margin trading in Robinhood. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To apply for a margin trading on Robinhood, go to the investing section from the menu in your app's account or person icon page. Then tap on margin investing and follow the on-screen instructions. You must meet eligibility requirements, which includes having a portfolio value of $2,000 and access to margin is a feature of Robinhood Gold, which costs $5 per month. Now, in order to go ahead and apply, access the menu from the main screen, tap the person icon or account in the bottom right corner, then tap the 3-bar menu icon in the top left corner, then navigate to investing, tap on investing in the menu. Finally, find the margin option, so scroll down to the find margin investing and tap on it, and then apply. Follow the on-screen prompts to apply. So you may be asked to switch your account type if you are on cash account to enable margin investing if you are a Robinhood Gold member. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.